Okay, what we're looking at today is we're looking at Addagons, which basically is just practicing our addition and our subtraction skills from primary school. Now, as I explained in class, the way these work is you add the two circles to get the square in the middle. Now, we started off in class doing triangles, and we might have two numbers, 7 or 4 and 7, and we could add them together to get 11. So that has not changed. That's still the idea with this. It's just, I suppose, a little bit trickier. Okay, so what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm looking at 18, and I'm thinking, right, 18 plus what gives me 35. So what I can do here, guys, is I can actually use subtraction to help me. So how I do that is I will go 35 minus 18, okay, and 8 from 5 I cannot take, so I must borrow the 1. 8 from 15 gives me 7, pay back my 1, and now I've got 2 from 3 gives me 1. So 17 is the answer to this first box here, and we can check it again. 18 plus 17 gives me 35. That is correct. Okay. Now our next step is we're going to move down towards this one here. We're going to do this section here because we have two parts of information, whereas with any of the rest of them that are left we only have one part. So we've got two parts here, so we will be able to conclude this. Okay, so we know that 17 plus what will give me 41, and again I can use subtraction here. So 41 minus 17, remember, we'll always take the smaller number from the bigger number. 7 from 1 I cannot take, 7 from 11 leaves me 4, pay back my 1, 1 and 1 is 2, and 2 from 4 is 24. So I can conclude here that 24 plus 17 will give me 41. Okay, so what's our next step? Well, we're going to continue on this direction. As we can see, we have two parts of information here. And so this is a little bit easier now. It's 17 and 24. And remember, we add them together to get what is in the box. So I'm going to add 17 and 24. So 7 and 4 is going to give me 11. Carry my 1. 2 and 1 is 3 and 1 is 41. So 41 is the number that goes in the middle here. Okay, we move on. We're on this section here now. Again, we know that we are looking at 27 and 17. They're the two circles. We add them together to get what's in the square. So I'm going to just do it up here. So 27 plus 17. 7 and 7 is 14. Carry my 1. 2, 3, 4 is going to give me 44. So inside this box gives me 44. Okay, we're now at the end. Okay, and we can see here that we have got 27 plus 18 will give me this number in the box. So again, we're adding the two circles together, and I'm running out of space. I'm going to do it down here in the corner. So 27 and 18. So plus 18. 8 and 7 is going to give me 15. Carry my 1. And then I've got 2 and 2 is going to give me 45. So inside this box we have 45. So for anybody struggling on their homework this weekend, just have a look at this. Look at exactly what I've done. All right. Find out where you have the most information. Okay. And that will help you. So we could have gone this way. That would have worked. Or we went as the direction we chose to go in this question here was clockwise. So you can go clockwise or anti-clockwise. Remember, you add the two circles to get the number in the middle. If you've got the number in the middle, you must subtract. Hope this helps.